Now, after years of anticipation, Pi is finally nearing its most important milestone yet. The Pi core team has finally announced a target for the open mainnet launch, the moment millions have been waiting for. This is when Pi coins mined on phones become real, transferable cryptocurrency. The announcement has electrified the community, turning years of patience into real anticipation. For a long time, there was no clear date, leading to speculation and doubt. Now, with a time frame, excitement is at an all-time high. Social media is buzzing as users prepare for launch, sharing balances and completing KYC verification. The core team has set conditions for launch, like user verification and app development, making the community an active part of the process. This strategy strengthens involvement and commitment to Pi's success. The mainnet launch is more than a technical update, it's the start of the Pi economy. Imagine collecting tickets for years, waiting for the festival to open. Now, the doors are about to swing wide. Soon, Pi could be used for buying goods, paying for services, or trading, turning a mobile experiment into a real digital economy. The countdown is on, and the final phase of preparation has begun. For pioneers, this is the moment their patience could finally pay off. So, what's a mainnet? Until now, Pi has been in practice mode, a testnet where coins are just points inside the app. The testnet lets developers fix bugs and test features without real-world consequences. You can see your Pi balance, but you can't spend or transfer it outside the app. The mainnet is the real deal. When it goes live, Pi becomes a public independent blockchain. Your mined coins move from testnet to mainnet, becoming actual cryptocurrency you control in a real digital wallet. This is the critical step where Pi gains real utility. You'll be able to send Pi to others directly, without banks or middlemen. Businesses and developers can start building real apps and services on the Pi blockchain. Imagine buying a t-shirt or in-game items with Pi. Mainnet makes this possible. It's like opening your private greenhouse to the public market. Now your fruit has real value. The mainnet launch releases Pi into the global economy, ready to be used, traded, and valued. This is the moment Pi stops being a concept and becomes a real digital asset. The world will finally see what Pi can do. Alongside mainnet news, there's huge buzz about a possible Binance listing. Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange, like the Amazon of digital assets. Getting listed there means massive exposure, and most importantly, liquidity. Liquidity is how easily you can buy or sell something for cash. On Binance, millions could trade Pi instantly. Without a big exchange, you can only trade Pi with neighbors. With Binance, the whole world can join in. This demand could dramatically impact Pi's price and legitimacy. A Binance listing is seen as a major stamp of approval and a catalyst for growth. There's no official announcement yet, it's still speculation, but Pi's huge user base makes it an attractive candidate. If it happens, Pi would instantly gain global presence and credibility. The dream of a Binance listing is the dream of Pi going truly global. For now, the community waits, hoping for that game-changing moment. Even rumors of a listing fuel excitement and anticipation. A listing would mark Pi's arrival on the biggest stage in crypto. The world is watching to see if Pi will make the leap. One of the most talked about rumors in the Pi community is the $314 price target. A clever nod to the mathematical constant P. This number has become a symbol of hope and high expectations for Pi's value after launch. The idea is that if everyone agrees on this value, it could become reality, but it's not an official prediction. For Pi to reach $314, its market cap would need to rival the world's top cryptocurrencies. The actual price will depend on how many coins are in circulation, demand, and real-world utility. It's an ambitious goal, more a rallying cry than a realistic short-term target. Like a town agreeing their local currency is worth $100, the real test comes when outsiders want to buy in. The $314 figure is a powerful internal belief, but the open market will ultimately decide Pi's price. The initial price could be much lower, or surprise everyone. Volatility is certain, and the $314 dream is best seen as a long-term aspiration. The true value of Pi will be built over time, through real adoption and ecosystem growth. For now, it's a symbol of unity and optimism, not a guarantee. Pi's greatest strength isn't just its technology, it's the massive global community behind it. With tens of millions of users, Pi is one of the most widely distributed crypto projects ever. Like Facebook or WhatsApp, its value comes from the sheer number of people involved. Pi's community isn't passive. They've tested the app, run nodes, and given feedback for years. This deep involvement creates a sense of ownership and belief in Pi's future. Many pioneers see themselves as co-builders, not just users. The project's mission of financial inclusion resonates worldwide, offering a chance to join a new financial system without money or technical skills. For many, Pi is about empowerment and a stake in the future of finance. The community is also a ready-made market for apps and services built on Pi. Developers are attracted by millions of engaged users from day one. Pioneers aren't just waiting to cash out. They want to use Pi in a vibrant ecosystem. This symbiotic relationship between users and builders could drive Pi's long-term value. The community's belief is Pi's most powerful asset. Excitement is high, but it's crucial to understand the risks around Pi. Until the open mainnet is live and Pi is listed on exchanges, its value is speculative. Pi coins in your app currently have no official monetary worth. Beware of anyone offering to buy or sell Pi for cash now. Scams are common. Never share your personal info or ID outside the official Pi KYC process in the Pi browser. Only trust information from the official Pi app or core team. Manage your expectations. The 314 rumor is a community aspiration, not a promise. Crypto prices are volatile. Pi's price will likely swing wildly at first. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. The main risk is scams or disappointment, not financial loss from mining. Pi is still experimental, facing technical and adoption challenges. Being a pioneer is like being an early startup investor. High potential, real risk. Stay informed, be patient, and protect yourself. Safety and realistic expectations are key as Pi enters this critical phase. The open mainnet launch is just the beginning. The real excitement starts after. Focus will shift from mining to actually using Pi in daily life. First, your mined Pi will migrate to your mainnet wallet in a secure, gradual process. The spotlight will turn to the Pi ecosystem, with new apps and services emerging: e-commerce, games, social platforms, and more. Exchange listings, big or small, will boost Pi's accessibility and liquidity. The core team will pursue listings strategically as the ecosystem grows. In the long run, decentralized governance could give every pioneer a voice in Pi's future. The journey ahead is about building a real, self-sustaining digital economy. Pi Network began with a radical idea: put cryptocurrency in everyone's hands. Years of hope and daily taps have built a massive community, now on the verge of the open mainnet launch. The launch is the moment of truth, when Pi's value will be tested in the real world. Whether dreams of Binance listings or $314 come true, the launch itself is a huge achievement. Pi's success depends on its community's collective action, not just code. The future will be shaped by millions of pioneers using, trading, and building with Pi. If Pi can foster real utility and adoption, it could become a major chapter in digital money's story. The next few months will be critical, and the world will be watching.